Hi guys, today I want to bring you out to my garden. It is late, it is early June and we're
It's like
in
mid-June.
zone 7B, and last year I planted some carrots last year. Here they are, right here. As you can see, look, they didn't come up last year. I planted them for winter and it was late fall and they didn't come up, and I thought they weren't going to come up. So when I started preparing this bed for the next year, I noticed that they were coming up and I was like, oh shit, look, here's the carrots. So I just left this bed over here and nothing happened, and I had all these greens come up, and I thought, because carrot greens are delicious and we have lettuce and chard and kale over here, so we've just been eating them in our salads.
With cabbage.
Right, but I noticed that they started to flower. So come on over here. This is what it looks like when your carrots bolt.
Don't move it.
So these carrots, if you can focus on it, here's a flowering carrot. So these carrots have been in the ground for 6 months at least, and we have decided that we're going to keep some in the ground so that we can get seed. And in case you're wondering, this is a tomato plant that volunteered, so it's up here. And this over here,
Look at the little tomato on it already.
Yep.
Yeah, the heat's left over from last year.
So we're going to pull them up to see what the carrots look like and maybe eat the carrots. If not, we're just going to leave them in the ground and eat the tops and the seeds.
Drum roll.
So I guess the first one we can pull up would be this one that's going to seed over here. Actually, I think I'm going to keep that one in, but we'll pull this one up and see what's going on with it. So we'll start right here with this big carrot. I saw a big one yesterday that I thought, oh, I'm going to pull this one up. It is.
I saw a homesteader about a year ago talking about...
Are you an English character now?
She was a character from Great Britain.
Alright, so let's just pull it up and find out.
She grew her carrots on a hill. She was like, I think you should do it on a hill because it's easier to pull them up.
Really?
I do remember that.
So these carrots are colored carrots. They are different colors. And here's one. They're green and red. Here's one carrot, as you can see.
Oh my God, hold it still.
And you start to know that the roots are, see the roots are coming out? That's because these plants are going to seed. So we will dig up another one maybe, and then we will probably...
Do they turn orange?
Well, these carrots, yes, they turn orange. Like I said, these are multicolored carrots. So there's some that are red, there's some that are orange, there's some that are green. This particular variety is
All carrots matter.
all colors. That's right. So the carrots really didn't get very big. So I really think the best thing to do in this case is to leave them for the greens and for the flowers. But this carrot over here, we're going to go ahead and pull up. Come over here. Look at this stalk. Come over here, babe.
I'm coming.
Okay. This over here is a monster stalk. You see this stalk?
Which one?
Right here.
You're touching too.
This one. See this one with the fuzz on it?
Yeah.
So we're going to just go ahead and pull it up and see what it looks like. So when it starts getting the roots on it like that, that is because your plant has bolted, right? And you have, if your plant's flowering, you should know that your carrots, see how this one's orange-ish? Your carrots is starting to send out seed, it's starting to send out roots so that it knows that it's not going to be a carrot anymore. It's trying to just become a seeding. So these carrots right here, we're going to try to eat them and see how it goes. They could be a little woody. We're not really sure. But we're going to pull them up and find out. And that's been our carrot video. While we're over here, let me show you our ginseng. I mean our what was it? Ginger. We planted some ginger in this pot.
We think that's what this one is.
I think that's a weed. I think a carrot. This is not.
You're shouting, you know.
This is not
Whole time.
ginger. I think this is a volunteer tomato. So we'll find out. Nothing happened with the ginger. So you want to take a look at our garden real quick? And just thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Herbs,
Carol's
bolted
showing
broccoli,
our garden.
kale,
That is our
Swiss
bolted
chard.
broccoli.
There was romaine over there. I think those are melons, squash, cabbage, peas and peppers over there. That bed over there, I screwed up, and that's in the shade.
It's a good looking bed. Don't worry.
But probably that oak tree right there, it's like 200 years old. That covers like our whole freaking yard. These beds. This is where we had a tomato forest last year, and this is where we had 12-foot okra plant.
What am I going to do with these carrots? I'm probably going to leave them in the ground.
It's our tomatoes, though, our forest of tomatoes, and our okra that's trying. Anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe. And
And for more garden videos, check us out.
we'll be
Check
back.
out links.